Great accounting is human. AI account reduces busy work, so professionals focus on judgment, relationships, and results. Let's see how it empowers a team. Start by clearing repetitive tasks. Automation organizes data while you stay in control. Accuracy improves when people guide the rules. Your standards shape the system. Real strength is collaboration. AI prepares. Accountants review and decide. Time saved becomes time for clients. Use insights to guide better decisions. Controls matter. Keep clear approvals and boundaries between AI and people. Ethics and trust stay central. Be transparent about data, methods, and limits. Advisory grows when routine work shrinks. Turn patterns into practical guidance. Support your team's development. AI becomes a coach, not a critic. AI account amplifies the human touch. More clarity, fewer errors, and stronger relationships. Accountants lead. Technology supports. Thank you for watching.